Hi, I'm Erin from Broke Millennial for the Financial Diet. Welcome to the 3-Minute Guide brought to you by Skillshare. You've asked about ways to earn extra money, so let's jump right in. Here are 5 ways you can earn an extra $100 a month or more. Number 1, be a secret shopper. Secret shoppers or mystery shoppers are a relatively easy way to earn some extra money. Companies like to know how their employees behave, so they pay you to go undercover, make a purchase, and then write a review of your experience. Just be sure to avoid scams. You shouldn't be paying in order to become a mystery shopper. Bestmark and Sinclair Customer Metrics are 2 ways to look into getting some gigs as a mystery shopper. And gigs will generally pay between $8 to $20. Number 2, create a digital product to sell on Etsy. Etsy is a treasure trove for shoppers and sellers alike. But for sellers, it can be time intensive to build and customize a product for your shopper. Enter the digital download. Think of things like Snapchat filters or a customizable sign for a wedding. These downloads are not labor intensive once you created them and can be sent as a digital file, so no need for you to go to the post office. At this point, you might be thinking that you're just not that crafty. That's how I felt. I'm certainly not very artistic and definitely not skilled with graphic design. But my friends Jay and Gwen from the Fire Drill podcast started an Etsy-focused mastermind group where they brainstorm how to create digital download products. There's a link in the description of this video. They pointed out to me that it doesn't have to be something like a Snapchat filter, but instead a bachelorette scavenger hunt list or a packing list. People will buy all kinds of things. Number 3, take your skills to Fiverr or TaskRabbit. If you're willing to do other people's errands or have amazing skills at setting up IKEA furniture, then consider becoming a tasker on TaskRabbit. Taskers offer all sorts of services, set their own rates, and decide which gigs they want to take, so you are completely in control. But obviously, the more you work, the more you earn. Fiverr allows you to capitalize on your skill set or gain experience while getting paid. You can offer services on everything from copy editing to animation to building websites to even making PowerPoint presentations look pretty. Be sure to factor in the service fees that you're going to pay to both TaskRabbit and Fiverr when you set your rates. Number 4, be a tour guide. Live in a city or town with some tourist appeal? Then consider becoming a tour guide. You could join an existing company for some part-time work, or you could try starting up your own tour if you have a niche idea, like insider knowledge of local microbreweries, or a jogging tour of landmarks, or haunted areas in your city. You may need to pay a licensing fee or take a test in order to become a certified tour guide in your city. And you might not make a great base rate from being a tour guide with a company, but there are always tips. And number 5, rent out a room in your home. Consider creating a room rental co-op with a friend or 2 in your city. You each pick different days or a week that you want to post your apartment on sites like Airbnb, HomeAway, or Verbio. Then you go stay with each other when you have a guest, so you can crash someplace for free. It's a great way to make some extra money, but you always want to be sure to check with the laws of your city and with your landlord if you're a renter. You definitely don't want to get evicted trying to make some extra cash. Another way to make extra cash is to learn a new skill. Skillshare is an easy and affordable way to expand your talents. Every week we're featuring a different Skillshare class we think you guys will love. This week's class is Level Up Your Art Game. Hosted by illustrator Dylan Merzowinski, this class teaches artists how to explore and develop your personal style, ways to utilize inspiration and references without stealing, and how to effectively critique yours and others' work. As always though, Skillshare offers a huge range of high-quality classes on must-know topics, from writing to fitness to business, and it's all about what you want to learn at an affordable annual subscription of less than $10 a month. And since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 500 people to use the promo link in the description will get their first 2 months free to try it out risk-free. Click the link in the description to check out this week's featured class or any of the other classes Skillshare has to offer. Have a money question you want to learn more about? Leave your topic idea in the comments section below. I'm Erin from Broke Millennial for the Financial Diet, and don't forget to be here next Thursday for a new 3-Minute Guide.